Hi friends, now I am going to talk about the compatibility between sociology and general studies. That means whether the knowledge of sociology would be helpful for general studies or not. I should say that the knowledge of sociology is very much useful not only to understand the topics related to general studies, but the same topics can be seen in general studies paper 1 and paper 2, and the analytical skills that are required for sociology are very much helpful not only for general studies but also for writing an effective essay. If you look at the trend of UPSC question papers, there are many topics directly or indirectly related to sociology. Especially in general studies paper 1 and paper 2, there are topics like salient features of Indian society, unity in diversity, communalism, secularism, land reforms, green revolution, poverty and hunger, urbanization and industrialization, growth of urban communities, environmental degradation, slums. Like that, there are many topics which are directly related to sociology. So, keeping this in view, I would like to state that almost around 30 to 40%, I can say up to almost 40% of the syllabus of sociology is related to general studies paper 1 and paper 2. And the content of sociology is very much helpful for essay writing. If you carefully observe the question papers related to essay, every year at least 1 or 2 topics are related to Indian society or a global society. And those topics are very much related to sociology. And the sociological analysis is very much helpful to write an effective essay. And sociological analysis is also very much helpful to write an effective answer in general studies or the topics related to the general studies. For example, take green revolution. This topic could be seen both in general studies as well as sociology. In general studies, several times a question was asked like, what are the social consequences of the green revolution in India? Green revolution as a package program constitute of certain technological inputs. But green revolution as A package program has not only contributed for or to increasing output in agricultural production, but it has several social consequences which need to be discussed, which need to be analyzed. Similarly, take secularism. One of the important feature of Indian democracy is secularism. But there are many challenges for secularism in India. So what are the major challenges for secularism in India? Do you think that India is a secular state? If so, how? We have to describe, we have to analyze how India is a secular state. And if there are any challenges for secularism in India or secular fabric in India, what are those challenges? We need to analyze. So for which the sociological analysis is very much required. And there are many topics related to population growth. Many times questions were asked related to demographic dividend. What exactly meant by demographic dividend? What are the advantages with this demographic dividend? So like that, there is so much of compatibility between sociology and general studies. And most of the topic, especially if you look at the topics in paper 2 of sociology, many topics are directly or indirectly helpful for general studies. The topics like rural development programs. Government of India has initiated several rural development programs for the past 7 decades. There are programs like MGNREGS, NRLM, National Rural Livelihoods Mission. So what is the social impact of MGNREGS on rural society? And there are programs like Swachh Bharat Mission. How Swachh Bharat Mission has contributed for healthy environment in rural India. We have Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gramin Kaushalya Yojana. How this Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gramin Kaushalya Yojana has contributed to reduce the unemployment problem in India. So, different types of questions can be asked related to the rural development programs. Similarly, there are topics like regionalism in sociology. Even in general studies, many times a question was asked that why the regional tendencies are increasing in different parts of India. India has experienced several separatist and secessionist movements. What are the reasons for that? What kind of solutions you can offer to reduce or to eliminate secessionist tendencies in Indian society? So like that, there are many topics of sociology which are directly useful for general studies. So therefore, at the end, I would like to state that there is so much of compatibility between sociology and general studies. Thank you.